In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a document into a presentation using Canva AI. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and designed to be easy to follow, so you can go from raw text to polished slides in just a few minutes. First, open Canva AI. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the screen for the prompt box that says, "Type your prompt." Click inside that box to get started. This is where you'll tell Canva what you want it to do. Type a simple, clear instruction such as, "Turn my document into a presentation," or "Create a slide presentation from this text." Keeping your prompt straightforward helps the AI understand your goal. You don't need to overthink it. Those phrases work great. Next, upload your document. You can use a Word file, a PDF, or even a plain text document. If your document already has headings and short paragraphs, Canva AI will interpret it more accurately, so it's worth giving your text a quick tidy before uploading. Once the file is in, the AI will process it and automatically generate a draft presentation for you. Now it's time to customize your slides. Start by adjusting the text formatting to improve readability. Use clear headings, keep body text concise, and make sure important points stand out. Then add visuals to bring your content to life. In the Elements tab, search for images, icons, or graphics that support your message. Swap and resize visuals so they complement your text rather than compete with it. You can also change colors or layouts to match your style. Pick a color palette that enhances contrast and try a few different layout options until each slide feels balanced and easy to scan. Take a moment to review the AI-generated slides. Edit any wording that feels too long, simplify busy slides, and rearrange the order if a different sequence tells the story more clearly. If two slides repeat the same idea, merge the strongest points into one. The goal is a consistent flow from introduction to conclusion. When you're ready to see it in action, click Present to preview your slides full screen. If everything looks good, choose Share or Download to export your presentation and send it to your audience or save it for later. And that's how you turn a document into a presentation in Canva AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.